Hello and welcome to this meditation, resetting adrenal fatigue. Now, just get comfy. Close your eyes or wriggle down and just come to. Feeling that breath, whether it be deep or shallow, tight or full of flow. Just take a little bit more time with your breath. Don't force your body to relax, just begin to let it happen. And take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And you're just taking your time, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you breathe in next, you're going to breathe in for the count of 4, and then hold that breath for the count of 4, and breathe out for the count of 6. Just doing that again, breathing in for 4, holding for 4, and letting go for the count of 6. And once more on your own, now. And just breathing in, breathing out, taking your time, feeling that soft, sweet relief in the breath, where the pressure to be, to fix, or even to heal just dissolves as you breathe in and breathe out. You can feel almost like your skin is just expanding into the space around you. It can feel almost like 2 bath plugs at the bottom of your feet just being pulled gently out. And all that wants to drain away from inside can. You're taking your time, and you'll feel deep relief in doing so. And it's almost as if another bath plug is being pulled in the middle of your mind. As if your mind and your awareness is melting right back into the middle of your head, still breathing in and breathing out. And it's like your sense of feeling, your thoughts just melt down through your head, down through your neck and your throat, and down into your chest and your shoulders, down through your spine, down through your body and your organs, down through your core, down your back, right into the bottom of your tailbone, through your hips and your thighs and your knees, and all the way into your feet, even into the spaces in between your toes. And as you're breathing in and breathing out, you can really feel into your lower back. You can feel into your groin and your hips, all softening. And as you breathe in and breathe out, just bringing into your awareness your kidneys. I just want you to imagine like you're breathing down into them. And you don't have to understand the whole process, but just moving, feeling into that sensation of breathing down into your back, into your kidneys. You can feel the tentacles and tendrils of your mind just floating down from your head through your body, forming those connections into your spine and out into each kidney. However you feel that, however you sense that is great for you. And just breathing in. Breathing out. Feeling or sensing into this space in your body. Any dullness or achiness, just breathe in and breathe out. And as you breathe in and breathe out, you might feel some tension release, or a warmth, or even quite an intense sensation, like a pulsing. Just stay in the feeling. Feel your mind. Feel the pressure within your skull. Just relax. Just be aware of where your breath wishes to breathe. Any warmth or heat released in the kidneys, just feel it flow with the blood. Feel your belly rise and fall, gently massage all of your other organs, and as energy is released or cleared from your kidney, and also from the glands like two hats on top of each kidney, as you bring connection and vitality and ultimately choice back to this area, as you're feeling into you, feeling into your body, just gently breathing in, breathing out. Bringing your awareness to the middle of your chest and your heart, and just feeling the faintest, warmest, strongest of smile. A smile that truly needs no introduction. A smile that feels as if it's part of us. That part of us that still feels 17. That timeless part. That timeless smile. Aware of your kidneys, still focusing some breath, awareness, tenderness there. Feeling those parts in your mind expand like a fist unclenching that correspond to that organ, to the management and flow of energy from that organ and the rest of your body. Feel your groin and your pelvic floor relax. Feel that breath maybe go a bit deeper at points, and also and just feeling that warm smile that opens you up, It stops you from rushing and just invites a sense of thick, loving presence and pleasure in the sensation of your own body. Breathing in, breathing out, taking your time. For it's yours to take. So still breathing in and breathing out. Just feeling that presence in you and around you. Not necessarily having to label any changes, but just enjoying them. And as you kind of learn this experience of being in communication and sensation with your body, I just want you to imagine, with all that connection that's opened up, especially in your kidneys, that your body just lets you know something you can do for yourself today. Maybe it's something you do, or maybe it's something you make plans for. Take one little step towards. Get a sense of that and feel that excitement in your back, in your belly, in your breath, thinking of that now. Where that momentum can exist in a loving, fun and playful way with all the energy of you. Breathing in and breathing out, taking your time if you need to, after I've said goodbye. And just going into the rest of your day in that feeling. Take a breath into it, but casually. And just let go. Take care. I'll see you again soon. And bye for now.